guys, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for watching and stopping by again. If you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also that little bell so you can be notified of my upcoming videos, because girl, I am trying to win this YouTube game because it's so freaking hard. But today I'm going to be talking to you guys about the Wet n Wild Fire Dragon versus Ice Dragon collection. Now you can purchase this box, this box, I believe, for $39.99, or you can purchase everything individually. It comes with 2 eyeshadow palettes, 4 lippies, and 2 bronzers, 4 pigments, and 2 highlighters. Enough talking. I am super frustrated because this is my 3rd time filming this look, girls. OMG, like I couldn't work with one product. So you guys are really gonna know what products I like and what products I don't, giving you guys my honest opinion. So let's keep on watching. I'm gonna begin with adding some concealer all over my lid. So starting now, I'm gonna dip into the mythical creatures, and I'm gonna grab that transition color right there. So let's see how this goes. Please God, let this go good, because last time it wasn't good. So I'm gonna grab the transition, which I really like the transition color. Transition color. It's a beautiful color. You know how Wet n Wild tells you, like, add this to your brow bone, add this to your crease, add this to your eyelid. Okay, if you say so, but I'm gonna do my thing. Now I'm gonna dip into this one, which is the Fit for a Queen. So this transition, this transition is much darker, so I just wanna build that color on the crease. It's not like a major difference. All right, so now moving on to the blue. I swear this blue is killing me, girl. I'm gonna use a different brush because maybe it's a brush, I don't know. So a little blending brush. I'm gonna dip into the blue right here, which is for the crease. Tap it. I think like this is like $2.99, I bet, the palette. I love Wet n Wild, but this one is like super powdery, super powdery. So I'm gonna blend it just a little bit on my crease because I want to add the rest to my lid. So just a little bit. And it's like a black, I want to say. It looks like a black, it does not look like a blue. I feel like my camera's gonna die from all the filming I've been doing today. Just on this look. As you see how I started with a little bit and I'm just building the color. But I just hate, if you guys can see that right there, how it just moves around. I don't like that. Now moving on to the pigment. It's like a salt shaker. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wet the brush. This time wet it. And I'm just using my hydration spray by Jane Iredale. Dipping that and yes! Oh, I love it! Okay, so do not add this all over your lid. Even though it says it's for, it says it's for the crease, but do not add it all over your lid because, girl, that color was everywhere. It was so bad. So this little pigment right here is a must-have. So you should definitely get that one. As you see, I just sprayed my brush. I'm gonna spray it again because I want some more. And just pat that on the lid. Oh, how beautiful. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I'm going crazy. Oh, girl, I'm excited because you don't know how hard I was filming this video. I was killing myself to film this video. All right, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the same pigment, and I'm gonna wet my brush. Let's wet my brush. I'm gonna add the same pigment and apply it under my lash line. All right, there we go. So now I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner, and I am using the Balm in Swing, I think it's called Swing. So be right back for that. So I added some mascara top and bottom, and for the lashes that I'm going to be using are the ones by Lash Pop in the pink. That's what they call it, in the pink. So let's just pop this. Damn, I added some big lashes. So I just added foundation. Now I'm adding some concealer. some. That's a lot, but it's okay because the Concealer Maddie's by Born This Way, and it's in color nude, and I freaking love it. Alright, so moving on to bronzer, I will be using the You're Dragging Me Down. I like that one. So this bronzer is a must for me. So pretty. Oh shoot! Shoot. I forgot that they sent some brushes. This brush is P53. I freaking love the packaging. And the bristles are so soft, so I'm gonna dig in with that brush and ooh. Okay, this brush, yes. This brush and this bronzer, really good. I am loving the bronzer and the brush. I think I found my new favorite bronzer. I like how it has this little dent on the brush, so you can put your finger right there. Look at that. It looks like I was just baiting outside. For the highlights, I am not really a fan, but I'm going to be using their new B77. It's like plasticky, but the bristles are really, really good. So I'm going to wet my brush because I am not a fan of the highlighters. This one's. I really don't like the color, but I'm going to dig into, which one? Damn it, I took the names off and they're not in the back. Winter Falls in LA. So I'm going to dig into Glow Watcher and just look at the design of this. I hope you guys can see that. But this one's, it picks up all my freaking imperfections. So what highlighter doesn't, you know? I like this highlighter. So I like the Glow Watcher. I do not like the Winter Falls in LA. I don't like it. It just looks, it's too thick. Like, look. So here is their lippies, and they're like more fall colors, you guys. They are the metallic lipstick, and I think this one is the one that I will go with. I'm gonna try Queen's Blood. So I'm not really digging the colors, but let's see how it looks on my lips. So love the packaging. Look at that, so pretty. All right, please don't let me down. Doesn't smell like nothing. It's so creamy. Alright girls, so here is how that lip looks. Swatches of the other colors that they have. Starting from this side, I have Shall We Slay, Icing on the Wall, and the last one is Riddlings. So this color right here will be bomb color for fall, you guys. This one and this one right here, which is the last one right there. So that is it. I hope you guys love this review. I hope you guys found some products that you guys probably want to pick up and test out for yourself. Let me know if you are digging the stuff that I didn't dig. I love the look. I love it. It's so like spicy and so thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you pick up any items and which one you picked up, and if the ones that don't work for me work for you. Just let me know on the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.
You want this yummy all in your tongue.